The news in detail. In a significant press conference today, Election Commission of India announced the schedule for the assembly elections to the state of Haryana and Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The polling for Haryana Legislative Assembly will be held in single phase on 1st October, while Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir will go to polls in 3 phases on 18th and 25th September and 1st October. The counting of the votes will be held on 4th October 2024 for both the elections. The announcement of the elections to the Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory is significant as it will be the first assembly poll after the revocation of Article 370. Both assemblies have 90 seats each.
19 अगस्त को अमरनाथ जी यात्रा खत्म होगी और 20 अगस्त को फाइनल रोल भी पब्लिश हो जाएगा. So it has been a work in progress to synchronize every activity in a way that we do not make any delay in doing elections in J&K, and this is what we announced in J&K, in Jammu, when we were there in March.
Former Chief Minister of Meghalaya